Take a look at it. Ultimately, Lawless Allen, then that 45 got into him. Coming up next week, March 9th through the 12th, it's the Big East Tournament tipping off on Fox at FS1. Who's going to rise up and take the crown at the world's most famous arena, Madison Square Garden? Catch all the action on Fox, FS1, and the Fox Sports app. The Big East Tournament next week. Under caution because of the 9 of Lane Perkins. Remember we told you had that big tire earlier this afternoon. Be a caution. If he didn't, Mike said, I'd pit. He said, if you don't, it's going to be a caution. And it was.
I have a radio right in front of me, Vince. I just talked to Todd Bodine on it. I wanted to call Blaine up and say, pit, you're not going to make it. Pretty lucky where it blew out, though, Kurt. It could have been much worse.
True, but it was that told you so moment. But wow, look at this. We got a full pit road of action.
Let's go downstairs to Regan.
Well, Kyle Busch in the 51 truck, a little bit of debate if they wanted to pit or go ahead and get some points. Ultimately did what the leaders did, decided to pit. You heard him say that right front just needs to turn a little bit better, and he needs right rear grip, so a double adjustment for those guys. The 17 at Ryan Preece, the truck is good. He was just too easy on the initial restart. Likes where it's at right now, though. Josh?
Speaking of liking where they're at, Zane Smith likes where his truck is at. He said it's balanced everywhere. They're coming in to pit right now. He started to fade a little bit towards the end as he gets tires and fuel.
Pretty straightforward in the sense that you're going to pit at the end of stage 1, and we're close enough to the end of stage 1 here.
That's this stop here. They moved it ahead because they don't want to lose that track position. Although a couple of trucks, Chandler Smith stayed out, so there are varying strategies, but I like this pit stop, Kurt.
Yeah, the stage actually goes to lap 30, but close enough to the end of stage 1 here with this caution, so several teams taking advantage of it.